Hello and welcome. In today's video an update about Polkadot auctions, as Nodle secured a slot and there was few other interesting things happening during this 11th auction. I will also mention Moonriver securing another lease on Kusama, and also staking of KINT tokens went live, so I'll show how to stake your KINT. Nodle won the 11th Polkadot auction. Nodle literally stole the victory from Equilibrium, quite surprisingly, as before the ending phase of this auction started, Equilibrium was still in a very strong lead, so Nodle will become 11th Polkadot parachain, winning the auction with 2.48 million DOT, and Equilibrium will have to bid again in the third batch, which starts already tomorrow with the 12th auction. There was a governance referendum proposing the extension of the second batch by 2 more auctions, which would give either Equilibrium or Nodle basically the certainty to secure a slot still in this second batch. Quite a strange referendum if you ask me. This referendum was last minute and went live just few days before the current batch of Polkadot auctions was supposed to end. I think changing the rules during the game is never a good idea, and some members of Polkadot community were very vocal about this, so they expressed their disagreement with this proposed extension of auctions. That's why I'm glad the result of this referendum was a clear no, so eventually there will be no additional auctions in the second batch. And more than 66.5 million DOT was used to vote no in this referendum, which is really a lot. Overall, I'm glad to see that voting process worked very well in this case and that Polkadot community members participated in this referendum and expressed their opinions about this, whether they voted for yes or no. Now, since Equilibrium did not secure a slot in this second batch, now they let every contributor to vote what to do with contributed DOT. So every contributor via XDOT can vote whether to keep DOT with Equilibrium and transfer DOT to the next, third batch, and thus get a special bonus of 300 EQ tokens per 1 DOT, or whether the contributors want to be returned their DOT from Equilibrium before the third batch begins. So here are both options, either to stand by or opt out, and here is where you select your choice and vote. Every Equilibrium Crowdloan participant who contributed via XDOT should treat this very carefully, and also note that you can only vote until tomorrow, March 12th. And regarding other Crowdloans, all DOT from other non-winning projects should be returned to all contributors within a few days. So the third batch begins already tomorrow with the 12th auction. Besides Unique Network, which will however not participate in the first 2 auctions, there is currently no other project joining the third batch, so for now Equilibrium might be eventually the only one. Unique will however open the Crowdloan already this Monday, so you will be able to contribute in a few days. A friendly reminder, if you are considering contributing to Unique, you should do so as soon as they open their Crowdloan, as the sooner you contribute, the higher will be your Unique reward per DOT. I will post a dedicated video about Unique Crowdloan and their bonuses on Sunday before the Crowdloan is launched the next day. Now some interesting news from Moonriver, the project which was anonymously bidding in the 27th Kusama auction as a Parathread 2112 turned out to be Moonriver. That means Moonriver self-funded their second lease period and thus secured another parachain slot lease on Kusama for the lease period 20 to 27. So this second Moonriver's lease period will be starting on April 6th until March 15th next year. The current Moonriver's lease period on Kusama lasts until May 14th, so there will be some overlap of these 2 leases. Thanks to this overlap, Moonriver will smoothly transition from the first lease to the second, which means there will be no disruptions to the network during this transition. I think knowing that Moonriver will keep on developing on Kusama is great news for all mover holders. So with the end of the first lease on May 14th, all contributors to Moonriver will receive their KSM back, and not only from Moonriver, but also from Karura, Shiden, Kala and Bifrost, as the leases periods of all of these Kusama parachains also expire on May 14th. And at the end, news about Kintsugi. KINT Staking is live. Everyone can stake KINT tokens on Kintsugi Staking app. After staking KINT, you will receive vKINT, which can be used to vote in governance. At this moment, staking rewards are still not being generated, as they first need to be activated by a governance vote, but the proposal to activate staking rewards will go to vote very soon. It is possible to stake only unlocked transferable tokens. The minimum staking duration is 1 week, so if you decide to stake right now, For the time being, you won't be generating any rewards, but as soon as the proposal to active staking rewards passes, since that moment you will be earning staking rewards in KINT. So to stake your KINT, head over to Kintsugi App on kintsugi.interlay.io/staking. On the top right, connect your wallet where you hold your KINT. Here enter how many KINT you wish to stake, so let me add 1, and here enter for how many weeks you want to stake. Here is the unlock date of your staked KINT, and both estimated API and estimated KINT rewards are 0 as the staking rewards are yet to be activated. So within a few days, both APY as well as rewards should start showing some numbers. Then hit stake, sign the transaction, and you are staking your KINT. After you started staking, you will receive a balance of V KINT, which are not tokens, but it is your voting power, using which you can vote in governance. The longer you stake your KINT, the more voting power you have. That's all for today. I'll be back with a new video about unique Crowdloan on Sunday, so that you have my thoughts before the Crowdloan opens on Monday. Share your thoughts and questions down in the comments, and you can also check out some more of my videos. Thank you very much for watching, and bye bye.